In a tranquil corner of the DIY universe, where nature and innovation coexisted in harmony, a group of imaginative builders embarked on a journey to construct a villa nestled in the heart of a lush forest. Their mission? To create a haven that seamlessly blended with the natural surroundings, featuring not one but two enchanting pools all brought to life through the captivating magic of magnetic balls. The tale began with the selection of magnetic spheres, each one a testament to the fusion of human creativity and the innate beauty of the forest. The builders envisioned a villa that would not impose on its surroundings but rather become an organic extension of the woodland tapestry. As the magnetic balls clicked and connected, a symphony of creation unfolded, harmonizing with the gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing sounds of nature. The first chapter of their narrative unfolded with the construction of the villa, an architectural marvel designed to complement the forest rather than overshadow it. Transparent walls, crafted entirely from magnetic balls, allowed the interior to breathe and offered panoramic views of the surrounding greenery. The builders marveled at how the villa seemed to emerge organically, a testament to the delicate dance between human ingenuity and the forest's timeless allure. With the villa standing as a testament to their eco-conscious craftsmanship, attention turned to the double pool, a liquid oasis that would mirror the natural beauty of the forest. Each pool was meticulously designed, with transparent walls made from the same magnetic spheres that adorned the villa. The pools promised not just a refreshing retreat but an immersive experience where the magnetic allure would harmonize with the gentle flow of water. As the pools reached completion, the builders reveled in the immersive symphony of construction and nature. The ASMR experience heightened the joy as magnetic clicks and forest whispers intertwined, creating a sensory masterpiece. The double pool, reflecting the verdant canopy above, became a tranquil sanctuary that beckoned both builders and woodland creatures alike. The grand reveal marked a moment of triumph. The villa in the forest with its double pool stood as a testament to the delicate balance between human ingenuity and the beauty of the natural world. The comment section overflowed with admiration, viewers expressing awe at the seamless blend of innovation, architectural elegance, and the immersive sounds that envelop the DIY sanctuary. In the heart of this sylvan masterpiece, the builders reveled in the joy of having not just constructed a villa and pools but having woven a narrative where the boundaries between architecture and nature blurred. The villa in the forest with a double pool became more than a project. It was a symbol of the extraordinary joy that emerges when imagination takes root in the serene embrace of the woodland realm. And so, in the boundless world of DIY dreams, the saga of the villa in the forest with a double pool endured as a celebration of eco-conscious ingenuity and the immersive magic of magnetic spheres. The builders cherished the memory of crafting not just a haven but a story where the joy of creation echoed as softly as the forest breeze in their tranquil woodland sanctuary.
What happened? Thank you. No. you.